Good morning, guys. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, March 22nd. Time is 9:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, just pre-market before the stock market opens. So, had a successful trade, pretty much from here, what I get filled there up to this area. So, decent little scalp for 32 ticks. I'm back in the market again at 40.83 right here. And I'm long 10 contracts, with my stop set at 73, just below this, gold line down here. So, what we're doing is bouncing off the 200, EMA right now. And, I'm thinking it's probably going to hold and, we're going to bounce off and head back up there. But, still looking to pull 10 contracts off at 93. And move my stop to break even, and I may just continue to do that, but this bar closes in 5 minutes, so we'll see. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly, and we'll see where we're at. Okay, so we just topped it. Half came off at 40.93. Stop is sitting at break even now, 40.83. Still holding 5 contracts long, and we'll see if we'll get a solid bounce off this 200 EMA right now. And then big clusters right here. And these are actually market clusters, and we're still in the pre-market, even though CL is open. Everything I base is off of the 9:30 area when the stock market opens. So I like that cluster right there. So, all right, guys, I'll be back. We'll see where we're at. Okay, this is taking a long time to play out, but we finally got a break above. I peeled one off at 23 for 40 ticks. So still 4 contracts long at 40.83. Stop is still sitting at break even at the moment. I'm gonna move that on up now to 93. Yeah, 93 is good. Lock in 10 ticks on there and sit back and wait. See if we're gonna keep on pushing up. So I think so. I think the bulls looking pretty good this morning. So, all right, I'll be back and we will see where we are at. All right, I pulled one off at 23, lock in 40 ticks, so still 3 contracts long at 40.83. And I think I'm going to pull another one off here at 33 if I can get that. Not lock in, but pull that on off there. And that will, if I sell, let me see if I can get this off here. So I can get this off at 50 ticks, and stop still sitting at 93 at the moment. And I will adjust it up to, okay, that just came off. So still 2 contracts long, 40.83. I'm going to move my stop up to 03, 41.03. That will lock in 20 ticks. And that's kind of where we're at the moment here. So turned out to be pretty decent so far. All right, be back in a moment. All right, guys, I'm going to move my stop on up to 13. That will lock in 30 ticks. So bulls seem to be pushing on up where I need it to. Final target is 41.83 for 100 ticks if we get up there. And I will look to gauge, but right now I'm done pilling. And I'll just adjust my stop at this point. All right, be back in just a minute. Okay, here I move my stop up to 41.33 right here. That will lock in 50 ticks on this trade here. Slight stall in this area. I'm going to see if I can pull one off at 63 for 80 ticks. And then I'll leave the last one to run up to 41.83 if we can get up there. So we're approaching the I zone over here on that alchemy. Pretty heavy one. So might get hung up in this area, so we'll see if we can push on up there and pull on out at 63. Get one more off there, utilizing risk management, and see if we can get that there. So, all right, guys, be back in a minute. All right, that just came off at 63 for 80 ticks, so still 1 contract left long. Stop is sitting at 33 for 50 ticks locked in right now, and final target is set at 41.83. Let's see. got somewhat of a cluster form here. Kind of weak still, but banged up against the value area high over here. So I'm going to move my stop on up to 43 and lock in 60 ticks, and we'll adjust from there. All right, be back in a minute. All right, I am out of the trade. It took profit at 41.88, so for 105 ticks, and I will take that any day. So that's this trade. So good run on that one there. So down here, bounce off of this 200 EMA and pretty much a straight run up there. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.